Okay, so the culprit was caught, that is Kezia. She had committed the mistake intentionally, unintentionally. So now what happened? She was taken to the father. Father was very angry. He scolded her, that is, he rebuked her, then even beat her. Okay, and so she was very upset because all these things was done unintentionally by her. Her only motive was to give a gift to her father. So she was very hurt, and none realized the feelings of the small girl. The girl was lying in the bed, and then to her mind came the memory of their neighbor. In their neighbor was a family, and it was known as McDonald's. So this McDonald family, the father used to play with the children, and Kezia used to peep into their house through a hole or one small area from which she could look into their house. So she used to peep there and she used to see that the father was always playing with the children, and so she used to think that how happy their family was, how good their father was. So all these things used to come to her mind, and so she was very upset. So till now this was the usual thing. Then now the main plot, the main event of the story. It began one day. Mother became seriously ill, and she was taken to the hospital. So the doctors told that mother had to stay there. So now Kezia was left behind in the house with the maid and father. The maid knew about Kezia and her behavior towards her father, so she told her that you should behave properly, and after dinner she was put into the bed by the maid. Then Kezia said, "What will happen to me today? What will happen to me tonight? I don't know, because I usually have to, or I usually like to sleep with Granny, and today she is not here. And sometimes I used to have a nightmare. Nightmare means dream, and in the dream she used to see a butcher. Butcher means a person who cuts the sheep, goat and all these things. It is called a butcher. So this butcher, she used to see, he used to have a sharp knife, and he used to come towards her. And every day or every night, whenever that dream used to come, she used to scream and enter into the, what do you say, the heart of, or into the chest of her granny. So in this way she used to get consoled. But today there was no granny, so she was thinking. She could hear the sound of the footsteps in the nearby room. That his father had come and he was also about to sleep. So suddenly at midnight, father heard a sound and he came to the room, and he saw Kezia was there, and she was looking very frightened. When father asked, she told about the dream. Father didn't say anything, but he very kindly took her in his lap and took her to his room. And there he had his newspaper. He put it aside and put Kezia into the bed and told her to rub her feet with his, so that she feels warm. So in this way